Hey, this is Mitya from SoundBridge. Before we begin the tutorial, please take a moment to click the notification bell, and subscribe so you're notified every time we release a new video tutorial. Doing so really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm, and we appreciate the support. With that said, let's continue with the video recap of our latest blog tutorial, where I will show you how to layer and process your claps. Snares and claps are the rhythmical foundation for the majority of drum tracks. In certain instances, genres might be defined only by the sound and style of their kick drum, snare and claps. Combining claps and snares allows you to construct a customized sound that fits perfectly in your mix. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to layer and process your claps. As you can see from the project, I first chose 3 different sample layers, 1 snare and 2 other clap sounds. I started processing after making the initial mix between them and adjusting the time position of the 3rd layer. This was done by grouping all 3 layers together and processing them with reverb, compression and an EQ for improved spatial, dynamic and tonal control. Let's hear it without and with processing, and for the end in the context of the full mix. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.